Hello guys, welcome back to my channel scientechhubhub. So today I'll be talking about the unshift method. As I have already told about the shift method, pop method and push method in my previous videos. So in this video I'll be talking about the unshift method. So as you know about this method in the array, okay. So to sorry. Okay, so first, then 2, then 3, then 4, the next one will be null. I mean something 5 and then null. Okay, don't consider it as null. I mean we have one node, after that we have null. Okay, so unshift means something we have to insert at the beginning. Okay, so now as in the linked list you see we have a head is a node which has value as 1 and next is nothing but our 2, right? Now I want to insert one node. Unshift says that insert one node at the beginning of the linked list. So if my node is like 43 and if I want to insert it into the linked list and shift into the linked list, then this will be insert at the beginning. So my head will be replaced with 43 and the head dot next would becomes the head. Understood? That means I have linked list 2, 3, 4. Okay. Now I want to insert one node at the beginning, this 43. So what will happen? This head becomes replaced by 43. Now this 43 becomes my head and head dot next, that becomes 1. I mean the head, right? Simple logic, not that much hard. Again I'm saying like this is my head, so now I want to insert one node at the beginning, so 43 will become the head and head dot next becomes the previous head, I mean this node. Okay, and now this newly inserted node becomes my head. Simple condition. So um, at first what we will do, at first new node dot next, so what we have written, like a new node dot next equals to um, this dot head, sorry, this dot next, this dot head. Okay, this is the first condition, first one, and the second would be this dot head equals to new node. That's it, simple thing. Okay, now let's code this. Okay, so unshift unshift, like same condition, if no this dot head, then this dot head equals to new node, right? At the top what I will do, let new node equals to new node. Well, this dot head new node, and then this dot tail equals to this dot head. That this condition you already mentioned, this is known condition, right? And the else part, this is easy one. So now as we have the new node, now this new node dot next equals to this dot head. So by this line, what are we implying? Let's go to the whiteboard. Okay, so I have already removed. So the line we have written a new node dot next equals to this dot head. So new node dot next equals to this dot head, means nothing but we have 1, 2, 3 and 4 now connected. Now the new node 43 we want to insert, so this is my new node, right? This was my head. right? So now new node val is 43 and next is null, right? So this val, now this next is null, but we have to point this next to my this head that we have written like this dot head. New node dot next, new node dot next becomes my head, right? So and then second line, what we will do, this dot head automatically becomes new node, right? Same thing we will write. So this dot head, which will becomes new node. That's it. And as we, this is a insertion of a value. So for this dot length will always be plus plus. Okay. So let's have a try whether it will work or not. Okay. So node ll.js is this. Now let's come here. Unshift, I think I have already mentioned. Okay. So in the unshift portion, I commented it out. Okay. 8 I want to insert. You will see that it will insert it in the beginning. Okay. Let's see. Yeah, you see, 8 becomes my first element and then the rest. Now same thing I can do with, can insert some 9 as well. 9, right? Same thing. Node. You see, 9 at the beginning. Whatever node I will insert by this unshift method, it will come at the beginning, and automatically other node will shift it by one position, right? Okay. So as per other function, like I will also push this total functionality in the GitHub repo. You will check the description box where I have put the GitHub link. You can take the code from there. And please do comment whether you like my video or not. Thank you guys.